The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south-central Beltrami County, northern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Berner, or 31 miles northwest of Bemidji, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clearbrook, Red Lake, southwestern Lower Red Lake, Gonvick, Little Rock, Leonard, and Pinewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. For north central and northwestern Minnesota,